back. I'm going to show you how I'm going to customize this pattern file that I got off of Creative Fabrica. I want to customize this to be a background for a Blippi party favor that I am doing. I'm using this paper, but I'm going to add more things to it to make it more suitable for what I need. I got this file from Creative Fabrica. This is the file that I download. Okay. And I am going to use Photoshop to help me customize it. I brought this file in. I am actually going to click define pattern, press OK. I'm going to size him down. Oops, let me fix him a little bit. And I'm going to place him in the spot. Duplicate him. Oops, cancel. Control J. Control J. Control, Command, depending on what software you're using. I believe I should put one right here. Okay. What I should have done was blending option. I should have given him a stroke. Turn it into, let's see. Should I turn it into the orange that he wears? And bring that stroke all the way down. Okay, and then give him a drop shadow. And change that color to the blue that he has on. Press OK. I'm just playing around with the options. I think I'm like that one better. And let me see if I could just move it around myself. Do I like it better here? Leave it like that. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna click this one, copy layer style, and I'm gonna apply it to all of them. Paste the style, 4, paste, 3, paste, 2, paste, and then the first one, I guess, paste. Now I'm going to add the name. What was it called? I think it was this one. And I'm going to make the font now I'm going to duplicate and resize it. And just add it down there. Okay, and we're done. This is how I customize